Separation procedures in effect. No 10. Taxiway Mike closed between taxiway Mike 1 and Romeo. Caution. VFR traffic operating 7 miles west of Vancouver International at 1,000 feet. Inform ATC that you have information Romeo. Vancouver International, information Romeo, weather at 1600 Zulu, wind 070 at 10, visibility 20, few clouds at 2,000, 7,100 scattered, 22,000 scattered, 24,000 overcast, temperature minor, viewpoint 7 and turn in use. Departures, runway 08 right. Visual, departure, separation, procedures, in effect, no 10. Taxiway Mike, closed between taxiway, temperature minor, dew point 7, altimeter 3021. IFR, approach, use ILS, RNAV, or visual, runway 08 left, and ILS, or visual, runway 08 right. Simultaneous, parallel, approaches in use. Departures, runway 08 right. Visual, departure, separation, procedures, in effect, no 10. Taxiway Mike closed between taxiway Mike 1 and Romeo. Caution, VFR traffic operating 7 miles west of Vancouver International at 1,000 visibility 20, few clouds at 2,000, 7,100 scattered, 22,000 scattered, 24,000 separation procedures, in effect, no 10. Taxiway Mike closed between taxiway Mike 1 and Romeo. Caution, VFR traffic operating 7 miles west of Vancouver International at 1,000 feet. Inform ATC that you have information Romeo. Vancouver International, information Romeo, weather at 1600 Zulu, wind 070 at 10, visibility 20, clouds at 2,000, 7,100 scattered, 22,000 scattered, 24,000 overcast, temperature minor, dew point 7, altimeter 3021. IFR, approach, use ILS, RNAV, or visual, runway 08 left, and ILS, or visual, runway 08 right. Simultaneous, parallel, approaches in use. Departures, runway 08 right. Visual, departure, separation, procedures, in effect, no 10. Taxiway Mike closed between taxiway Mike 1 and Romeo. Caution, VFR traffic operating 7 miles west of Vancouver International at 1,000 feet. Inform ATC that you have information Romeo. Vancouver International, information Romeo, weather at 1600 Zulu, wind 070 at 10, visibility 20, few clouds at 2,000, 7,100 scattered, 22,000 visual, runway 08 left, and ILS, or visual, runway 08 right. Simultaneous, parallel, approaches in use. Departures, runway 08 right. Visual, departure, separation, procedures, in effect, Vancouver International, taxiway 1,000 feet. Inform ATC that you have information Romeo. Vancouver International, information Romeo, weather at 1600 Zulu, wind 070 at 10, visibility 20, few clouds at 2,000, 7,100 scattered, 22,000 scattered, 24,000 overcast, temperature minor, dew point 7, altimeter 3001 right. IFR simultaneous, parallel, approaches in use. Departures, runway 08 right. Visual, departure, separation, procedures, in effect, no 10. Taxiway Mike closed between taxiway Mike 1 and Romeo. Caution, VFR traffic operating 7 miles west of Vancouver International at 1,000 feet. Inform ATC that you have information Romeo. Vancouver International, information Romeo. IFR approach, use ILS, RNAV for visual, runway 08 left, and ILS for visual, runway 08 right. Simultaneous, parallel, approaches in use. Departures, runway 08 right. Visual, departure, separation, procedures, in effect, NOTAM, taxiway Mike, closed, between taxiway Mike 1 and Romeo. Caution, VFR, traffic, operating, 7 miles, west of Vancouver International at 1,000 feet. Inform ATC that you have information International at 1,000 feet. Inform ATC that you have information Romeo. Vancouver International, information Romeo, weather at 1600 Zulu, wind 070 at 10, visibility 20, few clouds at 2,000, 7,100 scattered, 22,000 scattered, 24,000 overcast, temperature 9er, dew point 7, altimeter 3021. IFR, approach, use ILS, RNAV for visual, runway 08 left, and ILS for visual, runway 08 right. Simultaneous, parallel, approaches in use. Departures, runway 08 right. Visual, departure, separation, procedures, in effect, NOTAM, at 7 miles, west of Vancouver International at 1,000 feet. Inform ATC that you have information Romeo. Vancouver International, information Romeo, weather at 1600 Zulu, wind 070 at 10, visibility 20, few clouds at 2,000, 7,100 scattered, 22,000 scattered, 24,000 overcast, temperature 9er, dew point 7, altimeter 3021. IFR, approach, use ILS, RNAV for visual, runway 08 left, and ILS for visual, runway 08 right. Simultaneous, parallel, approaches in use. Departures, runway 08 right. Visual, departure, separation, procedures, in effect, NOTAM, taxiway Mike, closed, between taxiway Mike 1 and Romeo. Caution, VFR, traffic, operating, 7 miles, west of Vancouver International at 1,000 feet. Inform ATC that you have information Romeo. Vancouver International, information Romeo, weather at 1600 Zulu, wind 070 at 10, visibility 20, few clouds at 2,000, 7,100 scattered, 22,000 scattered, 24,000 overcast, temperature 9er, dew point 7, altimeter 3021. IFR, approach, use ILS, RNAV for visual, runway 08. Departure, separation, procedures, in effect, NOTAM, taxiway Mike, closed, between taxiway Mike 1 and Romeo. Caution, VFR, traffic, operating, 7 miles, west of Vancouver International, at 1,000 parallel, approaches in use. Departures, runway 08 right. Visual, departure, separation, procedures, in effect, NOTAM, taxiway Mike, closed, between taxiway Mike 1 and Romeo. Caution, VFR, traffic, operating, 7 miles, west of Vancouver International, at 1,000 feet. Inform ATC that you have information Romeo. Vancouver International, information Romeo, weather at 1600 Zulu, wind 070 at 10, visibility 20, few clouds at 2,000, 7,100 scattered, 22,000